we created the world's first virtual reality zoo at the Dubai Mall. We conceptualized the world's first immersive Shark Week exhibit for Discovery Channel at the Dubai Aquarium. DigiComm designed the media delivery system and produced the world's first 80K video for the triple world record-breaking OLED display at the Dubai Mall. We produced Mission 828, a thrill-packed, height-themed virtual reality spy mission at the Burj Khalifa. Our objective for the Dubai Future Accelerator program is to utilize the latest technologies in augmented reality, virtual reality, and artificial intelligence for developing the world's first mixed reality visitor experience.